Okay, so if you want to make a factory reset first, you have to turn off the phone and then just keep this button, and this button together, and you turn on this option. Now we can choose to apply data factory reset and confirm it with this. And then we can choose that we want to delete all user and confirm again yes, and everything look it's done. So we can try again. So again, okay, restart. Okay, waiting for I don't know what happened now because I used factory reset. Now it should go. Okay, so now after factory reset is mobile ready for using. But something is wrong after resetting the old data because he's still restarting, so I don't know if the reason is it's crazy. If you have the same problem, please write me comment what to do, because I wanted to show you how to make hard reset, and it's really curious. Maybe it's normal for Samsung of this type of phone, but I see this first time. Wow, so long shining Samsung, and now we can continue. Okay, so we done. So we are setting together this phone. It was difficult because I don't know why this phone so many times was restarting, but finally we are inside and we can check that everything is deleted, so we don't have any messages, any contacts, logs, nothing. Everything is free. So uh, we made factory reset of this phone, and if you want to see what kind of phone we have here, so we have model number GT-S. So this phone. Okay, so I hope that I help you, and now you can make factory reset of your phone too. Thank you for the watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.